folks, it's me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all the stuff on the channel to help us out. This video is going to be kind of a double whammy because, first of all, I have my first problem. I was going to get on video, but I don't think you need eyeglass repair videos. My birth control glasses here that I got from the VA. Why did I get black frames? Because they're easy and I don't feel like going, oh, I don't like this. Problem is I can never find a string that stays on. The ones I get, I'll have the rubber elastic and they just rip right off. So I resorted to zip tying them. So what I do is I take basically this string here, which I think broke. This one's going to fall off soon. And zip tie it. Why? Because that's the only way these things stay on here. If you know anything about glasses, see, I basically put the zip tie around here. Is it on that side? Yeah, try to get it like this. And I probably should fix it so it doesn't like just rip right off my face. But I put the zip tie right about here. And just right about, I don't know if you can see this. So, right like so. Kind of just wobbles on there. So see, just like that. And then I get some kind of chomping device. I normally have a flush cutter or something in here. I get a knife. Because a while ago my glasses broke while I was on the other side of the border, and I was like, oh man, I gotta call the VA for another pair of glasses. Luckily, I get the same frames every time. I'm gonna call them anyway because these things are gonna break. I get the same frames every time. I keep the old frames. Why? Because sometimes the sides break. The thing's still good, but I could pop the glasses out. So anyway, with that said, you can now see I have my birth control reading glasses. Like I need it because, you know, I got 4 kids. That didn't work right. So anyway, next on the agenda, I got a cold too. My wife has a cold, everybody has a cold. Next on the agenda is if you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. I got 4, and there's kid problems that only dad can solve. Only dad can solve this stuff. I got a good one this time. You're going to like this. This is one of those things that I'm not sure if I can solve this because I don't know how. Let me get a cloth to put on here first so I don't wreck the damn thing. Here it is. Rag. So anyway, while I got that, one of the things about kids is they like to do weird things. I think these kids like their father. The problem with this, let me put it this way, get this out of the way. I'm cleaning the bench even more. So, you're gonna maybe like this. I don't know. It depends on who you are. But this is it's nothing major. I have a Kobalt toolbox. This is a mini Kobalt toolbox. I bought it for my kids. It works great, but you'll notice it doesn't go all the way. There's a kid problem. But the lid's it's empty. What's the problem? Well, one of these little clowns got a makeup palette stuck in the back, so I gotta figure out how to get it out. So here, I'm not sure what exactly holds this drawer in. I'm guessing there's one of those little things on the side. And I gotta figure out how to get a screwdriver on there or something. So I'm guessing a metal rod. Yeah, okay. I see what the problem is. Now I gotta get something. I gotta get something to stuff in there to pop it out because a screwdriver is not gonna fit in there. Maybe I'll fit one there. Work. Let's see. Let's see. Put that in there. Oh. How the hell? Just gets caught in there. This is fun. Oh, wait a minute. I see what you gotta do here. Line it up there. Maybe there's a little fancy way to do this. Let's see. There's a hole in the drawer on the side. Somewhere in here. And let's see. What the hell? What the hell's going on here? I see where it locks. I just can't get the damn thing out of there. I can't get a... I need a longer screwdriver. This is ridiculous. So anyway, there's 2 tabs in there. And I can't get them because I don't have anything long enough. It's skinny enough. Thank goodness for Klein tools. Huh? So anyway, let me stop this for a second. Oh, here we go. One. Oh. Come on. Put light on here. That's a little bright. I'm trying to get the makeup palette out of here. Come on. It's still hitting the frickin' thing. Ay, come on. Come on. There's a little tab in there that's not wanting to come out. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Turn it sideways, maybe. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Kid problems, huh? I'll pop this one out. 9 times out of 10. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. The things you find. Anyway, if anybody's wondering how to take the drawers out of here, there's a little tab on the side. That locks it. Let's look at how this is made. There's a little, what is it, a magnet? Oh, there's a little magnet on the back. This right here is a little magnet, which, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a, here, I'll show you. Ta-da. It goes, clink. See, it doesn't hold very much, but. So anyway, if you want to, if you get anything stuck behind the drawer, there is a little tiny thingamabobber over here. I don't know if you can see that right there. Thingamabobber right there. And there's 2 things sticking out here. And you pretty much have to jab a frickin' screwdriver down it. My kids have beat the hell out of this. You can see there's plenty of dents. They've been enjoying them. Especially the pink ones, because nobody wants a pink one in their garage. I lied. I have a pink one over there. I actually have one black one still in the box too. So yeah, that's kid problem solved. I always put the makeup palettes in the top, not in the drawer. Let me stop this here. So folks, with that said, children always have strange things. I think so far I fixed a baby stroller, a kid stroller, a couple of times. Then we threw it out. I fixed a little. Actually, I got to fix it again. It's a tiny little baby high chair. I fixed all kinds of toys, and this is the latest victim of my child's fun. I know, like, who the hell thinks of this? Like, how did a makeup palette get stuck behind it? How did they flip it over? How? I don't know. They put it on the top? What the hell? Like, how did this thing flip over inside and get stuck? I don't know. But they did it. They're children, and they do it. So with that said, you'll see me fix random stuff. I think the craziest one was the fan, I think. It was one of those, the $1 store fans. Where I just put a new pin in the end, and I think they broke it 2 days later. But you know what? It's the fun in trying to fix it. If you don't have kids and don't try to fix anything and just store everything away, what's the point? Because some of us like doing stuff like that. With that said, some stuff does need to go in the trash. So anyway, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this very uninformative video, just because that's what I came here to do. Is I didn't have one of these in my house. That's in my garage. And thanks to Klein tools and their extra long screwdrivers that are skinny, because a lot of times, see, like this versus this, that's what makes the difference. Just a little thinner versus just the right tool. Thanks for watching. Take care, and thanks for subscribing.